Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Table of Content widget to your GoDaddy website. A Table of Content widget helps visitors quickly jump to different sections of your page, making long content easier to navigate. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Table of Content in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you have two data source options, Auto Detect and Manual. In Auto Detect, you can add a content selector and target headings inside that section. You can also choose which heading levels to include, such as H1, H2, and H3. In Manual, you need to assign titles manually and add IDs for those titles. Then go to the Behavior section. Here, you can enable Smooth Scroll so the page scrolls smoothly when a user clicks on an item. Next, open the Templates tab. Here, you can switch between different templates. Then go to the Appearance section. In this section, you can customize the background color, text color, and accent color. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your GoDaddy site editor. Now add a embed HTML from sections, paste your installation code inside it, and publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.